Tara, luto tayo ng nilagang baboy. Wala ka pa din bang ulam idea mamayang lunch? Well, this is the perfect ulam on a Sunday afternoon with your family and friends. Stay tuned! And for our ingredients, since we are cooking nilagang baboy, we have of course 1 kilo of pork. We have 2 heads or dalawang ulo ng sibuyas. Then we have pamintang buo. And then we have dried bay leaf or dahon ng laurel. We also have black ground pepper, salt, fish sauce or patis. Then we have medium-sized potatoes sliced. And then we also have green beans or also known as baggy beans. And then we have bagyo pechay, and of course for our sabaw we have 1.5 liters of water. So let's start cooking nilagang baboy! And for today's video, gagamit tayo ng induction cooker instead of a burner. Now let's put in our pot, preheat natin ng konti, and then let's pour in our 1.5 liters of water. Then let's add in yung kalahating amount ng onion slices. Then let's add the dried bay leaf or dahon ng laurel. And then let's also add the black whole pepper or yung mga pamintang buo. Then let's just cover it and bring it to boil. And as you can see, nagbabubbles-bubbles ng ating water. So that means it's already in its boiling point now. Pag-iwa-hiwalayin ko lang ang ating mga sibuyas and just give it a little stir. And kaya induction ang ginamit ko ngayon kasi mas mabilis makaluto. But of course, you can always use a burner or sa kahoy. Mas masarap. And since kumukulo na ang ating tubig, lagay na natin ang ating mga baboy. Now, for the pork, I rinse it using water and vinegar. I always do that sa mga karne at even sa fish and even sa mga gulay na niluluto ko. Then, let's add in like 2 tablespoons of fish sauce or patis and cover and just bring it to boil. So, kumukulo na nga ang ating pork nilaga. So, we will check its tenderness. Kuha tayo ng fork or tinidor o kahit anong pantusok. Siyempre gusto natin sa pork nilaga natin malambot, ba? And medyo malambot na nga yung pork natin. We can already add our potatoes. And just give it a gentle stir. Then let's add in our black ground pepper. And of course, a teaspoon of salt. Then let's just give it a little stir para kumalat yung lasa ng ating salt and pepper. And we're gonna cover it and bring it to another boil. So, kumukulo-kulo-kulo na nga ulit ng ating pork nilaga. So, ang gagawin lang natin is we will give it another tenderness check. Tutusukin ulit natin yung pork natin. And if it's soft enough and good enough for you to chew, we can already incorporate our remaining vegetables. And since for me enough na yung tenderness ng pork, I'm going to add my green beans or the baggy beans and just give it a little stir. Sunod ko nang ilalagay is of course ang ating bagyo pechay or pechay bagyo, cabbage. And lalagay ko na rin yung ating remaining onions. And I will just cover it and just bring it to another boil. Ayan na. So, ito na yung final boil. So, we'll just gonna give it a gentle stir or lubog-lubog lang natin yung pechay natin para hindi siya ma-overcook and it will remain crunchy. So, this is almost done. I'm just gonna turn off my heat. And we will cover this for just about 1 minute. And now it's ready to serve. Ayan na ang ating pork nilaga. Well done. And of course, yung gulay natin is still crunchy. Ayan na ang ating pork nilaga. Finished product. So I'm already serving it. Tikman natin, of course. And of course, hindi mawawala ang ating condiment sausawan, partner ng pork nilaga, ang patis. Maanghang na patis with calamansi. Ayan, sarap. Bagay na bagay on a Sunday lunch. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo, tumayo ka na dyan at pumunta ka na ng palengke at mamili ka na ng ingredients ng pork nilaga at magluto ka na rin for your Sunday lunch with family and friends. Of course! I hope hope you enjoyed watching, and don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my channel and get notified for other videos to upload soon. Thank you so much. Bye!